Welcome to another video on the Corolla. Doing the exhaust today. Make some more progress after today. I'm going to be fitting just the one that I had on the car before. Yeah, from there we'll maybe put another silencer on. But doing it here in Mitchell's Plain, you know, supporting the community as always. And we made it home. So I didn't film too much on the road because there was quite a lot to do, and this car is a lot to drive, like one hand. But anyway, as you can see, got the exhaust welded up now. Quieter than what it was before. I see one of the viewers commented saying that I must put the fuel pump on a relay, and why don't I go with a mechanical pump? Well, you know, I don't get much time to spend on this car, so the time that I do get to spend on the car, I get to do very few things. Switch it off quickly. Let me give you a sound check, a proper sound check. Don't get a lot of time to spend on the car, so it is quite tricky to do a lot of things. I did figure out something though. So if you remember on the last video, I said that there is no petrol tank. Well, there is. I actually said it wrong. There is a petrol tank, as you can see. It's just disconnected because this fuel tank was modified to work as a fuel injected fuel tank. So there's a return hole that was drilled in the top of the tank. I've been having a hard time locating a replacement, so what I'm going to do instead is just to drop the tank, get some fuel line, run it through the car, do it properly, fix the electric pump, have it working on with the ignition or with the switch, or the other route as the guy suggested with a mechanical pump. But yeah, everything comes with time, and that's how far the car is now. On the other hand, you might ask why this video is so delayed. Well, I got married like about a month ago, so this is actually how I spent the morning of my wedding, so I'm gonna drop that video here. Today's my wedding day, an L28 turbocharged Skyline. Uncle Johnny, thank you. Thank you, Uncle Johnny.
Anything for you, my
Yo, this is the kind of thing I like, even on the day I get married. Uncle, yo, I love it. How does this thing feel, boy? Feel like a plane.
I feel like a jet about the
Oh no, this thing is nice. Yes, yes. Yo, down to the ground, yeah. Shit! Yeah! Why is this thing so quick? Woo! This thing feels nice. 300 feels like. What's this thing, Jersey or something, no? Seen this car before. Uncle Chance, boy! Yeah, we're going straight, Uncle. 4th Avenue, right? Right, yeah. Yeah. a normal car again. It's a beast, no? Like a monster, no? So that's what happened on the wedding morning. There's a dent there, there's a dent there. I actually need to clean the interior of this car because there's so much crap inside of here. That bucket is in here with a hose pipe because my little Jack Russell chews on everything, so I need to hide that. There's a lot of stuff in here. The 7 MGE covers that I don't know what I'm gonna do with, but they look like a nice decoration.
Activate disintegrators.
Headlights are looking a bit sorry. Don't you think? And that one as well. I'm gonna use this that I have to see if it's going to work or make a difference. Let's try. Okay, so actually just a quick and easy job. Not sure if you can see, but that looks slightly better than that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it with the second one. So basically what I did is, sorry, I'm one-handed again. I just do this. Oh shit, might be a bit too much, but shit. Okay, there you go. So I just like rub it on. Oh, it's all over my hand and shit. Yeah, there you go. So just like, you know, I don't know what you call it. I'm no detailing guy. It's my neighbors pumping the music. Maskande in the house, bro. Should have had a before and after shot, but how's that? Ah, that HID is trash. I hate this one. That one needs to be changed, but this one's like pretty nice. That one's bad. So to conclude, next time we're going to focus on the tank and getting the fuel pump on the switch and ignition. We should be okay to go on the road. Then we need to do a operation cleanup inside. We need to do some body work that I think I'm just gonna get another one like that, this wiper thingy. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you.